The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Hope everyone's ready for a great day. Give me 1 minute here and I will be ready. I'm running a little bit behind this morning. But we will be ready here in just a moment. Good morning, Burl. For some reason my little bot that's supposed to send the information to the Discord that I'm live is not announcing it anymore, so hopefully Chef can get that fixed, everyone. But until then, I got to do it manually, and I forgot until right this second. Morning, JC. Good morning, Busy. There we go. Now we're caught up there. Okay. Golden. So we're sitting here looking at the hourly chart, and you can see we have barely moved. At least that's what it looks like. It looks like the high ended up being 40.41, and right now we're sitting at 40.23. Oh, I guess it was more of a move than it looks like. 18 points. So and then other markets. How you doing today, Busy? Kappa. Let's look at it. About 100 ticks of range. Gold. Gold dipped to 36. High. Maybe not. This is hard to do. I'm rushing. Sorry about that. So we had a dip down to 32. Our high was 43, so about 11-point range. Ultra Bond. This is easy to look at. Ultra Bond rise up. Chef called that one right there. Chef said we were going to rise up, and we did. Great call by Chef. Remind me to tell him that. A little less than a point in range. Crude. About 120 ticks of range, and last but not least, crude oil. A 190 ticks in range. That's where we sit. Bitcoin breaking out to the upside, 23.05. So here's our chart minute by minute here on the ES. It looks kind of ugly. So that's where we stand. Oh, JC jumping right in. Long UB at 22. UB or not UB? That is the question. Good luck on that. Give me a second. My mouth is really dry. Oh, I got to kill that Nightbot. That Apex is no longer in effect. Give me 1 second. My mouth is dry as heck. I need to get a quick drink. Oh, looking for a less drama-filled stream today. Even the tweet I sent out announcing today's stream said Yesterday we took out the trash. Today should be much calmer. Join me if you're a trader, if you're trading looking for a live streamer that talks futures market trading and live price action. Good morning, Zavok. How are you doing? So, give me 1 second, second again. Yeah, okay. Now, I do have an open trade on ES on my old Apex account that either needs to be passed or canceled by the end of tomorrow. That open trade's up $525 on one contract. Sorry to hear that, JC. You can see that right there, up about 525. Yep, that's what I did. I left the trade open overnight uh, with one contract. It's just the only reason I didn't go full YOLO is because with Apex you have that trailing drawdown. If it was end of the day, where it could have went 500 down, 500 back, all that. So yeah, I plan on YOLOing it today and tomorrow. I did buy a new Apex last night before the sale ended, thanks to Burl telling me the sale was ending not at midnight but at like 9 p.m., which is weird. So I'll get that away and I'll switch over to another account. We'll watch, see where this goes. See if this goes big for me. Go big or go home. Oh wait, I gotta actually disconnect and reconnect the Apex so it sees that new account. Yep, you got the brownie points. I'm doing keto carnivore for me, it's bacon points. And yes, I know it's actually brownie troop and all that fun stuff. Okay, there we go. New Apex account is locked and loaded. There we go. Good morning, Deb. Hope you're having a great day today. And I'm finally caught up. Hate it when I get a late start in the morning. Rush around. So we'll watch and be ready. We shall be ready. Ready. We need to set up the right ATM strategy here. So you can see our moving our 100 is above. This is the current price action. So this would have been a trigger there. Not the best trigger in the world, but a little bit of good trigger. It would have been a trigger, and it would have worked. So I either insulted it, but it would have worked. It would have earned its purple. What do I mean by earning its purple? Well, I put a purple line through the trigger candles that work so I can track them, and I put a blue line through the ones that don't so I can spank them later. That's just silly. How do you spank a trigger candle? popping up. Now we wait for our next opportunity. And we're popping up here. Up to the 100 EMA. News this morning. Let's check what we have. Apparently, Bank of Canada has something going on today. No. Yeah. Maybe? No, this might be tomorrow. Yeah, it's tomorrow. Oops. Today, though, we have the U.S. S&P Services PMI Flash, Manufacturing PMI Flash, and the Composite PMI Flash. All that comes up today at 9:45 Eastern, so 15 minutes after the bell. Then at 10, we have the Richmond Fed Comp Index. So we're getting flashed 3 times. And you see rising up. Hit the 100. So are we heading higher? Higher. Can it take us higher? It looks like it's trying to go higher. I probably maybe should have taken that. Whenever I have a brand new account, which is what, the new Apex here that's ready to go, I'm always hesitant to take that first trade. See if that would have went. Reminder, folks, if you expect to enjoy today's stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. After yesterday's shenanigans, I'm expecting some downvotes. Good luck on that, JC. UB. UB or not to be. You see, we've gotten some additional volume coming there. You can see here the volume. You see how much bigger these towers are compared to the rest of the whole day. Uh, kind of spiky. Doesn't look like it really wants to go right now. Spiky. Sorum. Good morning. How are you doing? Yep, I'm doing all right. And there's the pullback down. Morning, John. Ouch. Sorry, JC. Doesn't seem like it wants to go right now for you. Slow here, maybe till the top of the hour. And that's technically a trigger candle. Not sure I like it. Well, it's no longer a trigger. We'll see. We shall see. Anything else doing anything fun? Ooh, pull back there, Kappa. I'm gonna get you, Kappa. Oh, sorry. Gold. Let's try and get gold's yellow lines moved. Try and catch up. Trying some catch up. No, trying to catch up. There we go. There we go. Gardner, welcome. I'm YOLOing one account. I'm a short on ES. I've held the short since last night. I entered it. Well, let me look. I don't even remember. Entered at 40.35. I just felt like we were going to come down. We have not come down nearly as much as I thought we might, which is okay. Then the new account, of course, I'm not YOLOing. So only YOLO if you have an account that you're not wanting to renew or whatever. I don't uh, advocate YOLOing on a most basis. Whatever I'm trying to say. But if you have an account that's you don't want to renew because see, that was the non-lifetime sale, that 90% sale, and I'm not gonna pay $90 for the renewal. So, and we're back up, so it looks like it wants to go up, up, up. But who knows? It might just want to go sideways. Hey, Dakota. How are things? Oh my God, Crypticon. We're sending positive vibes your way. Keep us updated whenever you have a chance. Yeah, obviously, family first. Don't worry about it. Just. So it looks like I'm now under a winter storm warning tonight and tomorrow for 4 to 7 inches of snow. Fun. Oh yeah, like I said, the only reason I'm YOLOing is because that account's going away. Good morning, The Wire. Morning, Carib. Slow rise up here. It did give me that second chance to actually get in when it bounced off that EMA. So I took 0 chances so far, and we'll see where it goes. They've been up, it's up 5 ticks if I take in the trade. Now, going up is against my direction of my YOLO trade. We're sitting on the dock of the bay. Not much going on right now. Maybe check out anything going on the Discord. Okay. Pulling back. So went about 5, 6 ticks on that. Now pulling down. The stop will be 2 points. So right now you can see we're in a very tight range. Very tight. About 4 minutes on the top of the hour. Neither of our G's are here yet this morning, Mr. G or G Man. Just sitting here. Sitting and waiting, watching and hoping. Top of the hour, just 90 seconds away. What are we going to get today? Crude oil? Well, we could take a look at crude. Oh yeah, look at crude going. Very nice, the Bach. Yeah. Hope we don't have to wait that long, Dakota, but you're right. But yeah, look at the crude there going. I'm not sure why my chart looks so weird there, though. Oh, I know, because I had those on. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice move up. Very nice. All right, good luck on that, JC. Before the top of the hour. There is no. Yeah, there is the top of the hour. Technically, this was a trigger candle back down as well, but I don't know where we're going. I don't know where we've been. And I don't like taking trigger candles that go through both. But we'll see if this heads down here now. Boring, boring, boring. So y'all gonna have to start entertaining me here. To whomever the new subscriber is, welcome. Thanks for joining us. See the number is up, so I assume someone subscribed and YouTube's just not messing with my head. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and comments are always welcome, and that's from everybody. Ouch, sorry, JC. So that would have stopped out 2 points if I had taken that long there. So that not have worked. So therefore it didn't earn its purple, it earned it blue. I'll have a blue trigger candle. Hi, Nandy. Welcome. South Africa. Wow. What time is it there for you? I'm curious. Thank you for joining us. I hope you like it here. Please feel free to be part of the conversation if you wish. Or lurk if you wish. So that would have bottom ticked me there, and then a nice pop back up. This is technically a trigger candle back up, but I want to see some movement here before I start jumping in. Alright. Alright. Okay, Nandy. So about 3 p.m. See, that would be nice. Not having to wake up early to get to start trading. Wake up around noon, eat some brunch, chill a little bit, and then start trading for the day. Good morning, G-Man. How be the G today? Leonardo? How goes it? Up and then back down. Still think down's our direction, but we're just not moving much at all right here, so I'll wait till I find some direction. Technically a trigger candle right there. That's technically a trigger candle right there. So, we'll move this. Like I said, this one didn't work. We'll mark this one off to see if it would have worked. For our 2 1/4. I mark it for 2 1/4 because I always get 1 tick of slippage, so That's meant to be 2 points. Uh, so far we've been good this morning. And no trades yet, but so far the stream quality has been excellent in all ways. Definitely boring though right now. As Dakota said, might not see much action until after the PMI news today. We'll see. Hopefully we get something. And as the Vox said, oil has been the star of the morning for about the last 2 hours or so, but that it made a harsh drop there. But so I'm thinking of definitely starting to work on some non-live content as I have time for the channel. Also thinking about launching a website for MightyOxTrading to kind of help MightyOxTrading grow there as well. Problem is I have no website skills anymore. My website skills, if I try to build a website now, it tends to look like something from like 20 years ago, which is probably because the last time I built a website was like 20 years ago. But so looking at trying to figure out something there. Ah, it's kind of sitting here 40.26. Ultra bond treasuries markets open in about 10 minutes. Excuse me. Oh. So, market seems to be resting. It's different than getting arrested. Slow. Very slow. Anything else having fun? Ultrabug continues to try and push down. Copper kind of all over. What's agriculture doing? I would take a look at agriculture in a couple of days. Completely sideways before moving up since last about a couple hours ago. It's a nice move there on soybeans. Soybean. Well, wait, it's all soybeans. Why is it all soybeans? Something's wrong there. That's weird. I'll have to fix that later. For some reason, all four things are soybeans. The soybeans are taking over. Always knew it was going to happen. Soybeans are out to kill us. Very slow morning. Very, very slow. Don't want to wake the market up. Remember, I mean, part of this might be the fact that Asia's not, oh, I should say Asia, China for Lunar New Year. You know, that market's been closed. So that, I mean, that definitely affected the Asia session. But, you know, they're partying like it's 1999 and maybe not trading the U.S. sessions either. I have no idea. Yeah. So you can see this range. Go. So the range we've been in for the last hour and a half now, 29 to 22, 7-point range. It's actually, I mean, really, I mean, that's what that hit. Really, we've been tighter for the last uh, hour. More like a 5-point range up and down. 5-point range. Home on the range. But in the last 10 minutes, or 10 to 20 minutes or so, our range is about 2 points. Oh, there's a move. Point down. See if we have any other news, anything going on. Got some earnings stuff hitting, but nothing that's moving the market. But there was another little spike down, so now we're finally getting some move to the downside. Maybe. Maybe, baby. See a little bit of a volume spike there, but everybody else is so quiet as well. Yep, agreed. Someone go wake everybody up. Oh, there's another move down. Going down, 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 down. Must have had a little bit of a blip. I had to just hit the live button. Might be a couple seconds behind, guys, so hit that live button if you care about that couple seconds. If you don't care, then don't do it. I don't care. So, so it's kind of riding that band down. Yep. The Larigo bomb, but there it's trying to break the range. So we did finally get a movement to the downside. Nope. Bounced off that same thing as back here. 40, 22.75. 40, 22.75. So that's support. Ultra bond market opens, and it's rising up. It's a nice 6-tick rise there. Yep, bounce there by 5 ticks, 6 ticks. Borneo? So this trigger candle that I marked here actually would have worked. We would have got our 2 points. So since 7 Eastern, you can see this would have resulted in 2 wins and 1 loss. 2 points. Bouncing off the EMA back down. Technically, this is not our trigger candle, and we'll see where it goes as well. Don't see if it gives us 2. Our ATR right now is under 1. Play with it. We'll play. Not like I said, I'm not taking any trades until we start seeing the market wake up. Wake up, jumped out of my bed. Uh, Coming back down. Still sitting at 40.24. Sitting on 424. Watching. Good morning, RJ. Wow, you're early this morning. How you doing? Hi, I'm Ed. Welcome. Yes, it has. Welcome back. How you been doing? Why? What's going on with Apex? Chape, chape, chape. Sideways, sideways, sideways. Up and down. How many different ways can I say that? Oh, oops. What country is that? Morocco? Huh. Wonder why. I know other firms allow Morocco. Let me go check. I wonder when they block Morocco. Morocco is actually. I know when CFT and I talked, Morocco was one of his most visited countries to his website. That's still up and down here. Well, Earn to Trade is Morocco is not on Earn to Trade's restricted list. So I know Earn to Trade doesn't run the same deals that Apex has, but they allow Morocco. Yeah, Earn to Trade has a list too. Mostly it has to do with restrictions posed by the U.S. government. Morocco's not on that list. Hey, John DeFore, welcome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Also, don't forget Earn to Trade. Earn to Trade's an excellent program, I'm at. If you have any questions, I'm at about Earn to Trade, anything, I'm pretty much a Earn to Trade expert. I'm a mod on their Discord. I've been with them in some way or another for probably 18 months now, even or longer. So if you have any questions, I definitely could probably answer them. If I can't answer them, I know who to ask to get the answers. Starting to see some increased volume here at 8:30. Little spiky candle. It looks like an only like news hit, but there's no news today. Well, not today at 8:30. I mean, we do have news at 9:45 Eastern. The S&P, different flashing from the S&P. That trigger candle also would not have worked. Would have stopped us out. So you can see how choppy of a morning it's been. Oh yeah, Philly Fed? I have email. MightyOxTrading@gmail.com. It's somewhere down in the video description too, or at least I think it is. It's a good question, is it? Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's down there. Right here, I'll just type it in the chat as well. And there we saw that spike and then back down. Welcome, Imad. Glad to be able to help in any way I can. Speaking of helping, folks, we have 34 people here. I'm definitely happy to see you all. Um, yeah, totally lost my train of thought. But if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, I would appreciate it. But no pressure. Good morning, Avi. Welcome. There. So I have a feeling I should have definitely taken this trigger candle. I have a feeling. I have a feeling. I have a feeling. I have a feeling. We've been so slow this morning, it kind of lulls you to sleep. Boom, boom. Let's see if that goes to 2. See this, right, it's right at support. It's gotten down to this 40.22.75 twice, now 3 times. Can it break it? Can it break it off something proper like? No, we would have got our 2 points there. Did break, but only by a tick. Let's see if it holds. There we go. A little bit further down. New low a day here. You can see Yesterday afternoon, after that big rise up, it pulled back. It hit 40.1675 before bouncing back up. So that'll be our next support. So finally broke. We can get rid of that line. Boop. So we finally got to move. Pushing down, 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 down. Good morning, Speed Racer. Rum, rum. Little bounce. Good morning, Matt. So we are falling, falling, falling. Which means my yellow trade's doing well. Those of you who just joined, I have an Apex account that either needs to be, I'm not going to renew it. So it either needs to be passed or canceled by the end of the day tomorrow. So I took a short last night. It's up $700. I need 3,500, so I'm just letting it roll. Continues to push. Push on down. Down to 40.19 here. Big move down here. So, excuse me. So for those of you that, excuse me, give me 1 second while I clear my throat. Also, earlier, Crypticon stopped in and said he's been out at the hospital with his kid since 1 a.m. and they're running tests and stuff. So for those of you that are, the praying type, want to send some good vibes or whatever his way. I need like $3,500. I have the target sitting at 4,000, so that'll be a 35-point trade. I should have done more than one contract. The problem is with, wow, big move down. So there's down to a little below 16, which is a little below this right now. But yeah, I mean, I didn't do a whole bunch of contracts on it because of that constantly trailing drawdown. So I'm gonna have to do a second YOLO trade at some point. Entry's 40.35. I'm up $1,000 on it now. G-Man's going long at 16. We're down to 14. See my yellow chart there. Up $1,025. 11. Yeah. So missed this big move unfortunately because it kind of lulled me to sleep, lulled us all to sleep, I think. And now since that trigger candle, it went down 10 points. That quick. Little bounce, back up to 15. See, those last two candles had huge volume compared to what we were seeing. Gotta restart my beats. So far so good, Speed Racer. Now they did go to 2 other streams yesterday complaining about me. Good luck on that, G. Considering getting out of the YOLO trade and then re-entering somewhere because I think this is gonna pop back up, but well below down here and all. Oh, what's my? But let's let it roll. Rolling, rolling, rolling. So far, nice call here by G-Man. Very nice call by G-Man. Nice job on that one, John. Yeah, I hope that one gets back to, hope the algo gets back to break even for you. My algos have been very blah lately. The algo tests, good one day, bad the next. Not really making any progress either way. But we'll continue to work on it. We'll continue to work on it. Struggling to get above 17 here. Let's see if it can do it. Do it to it. Yeah, I need to start running back to running Asia only tests and stuff. I was doing that and then kind of got away from it. It's been closed, John, because of the Lunar New Year. China and Hong Kong. That's why Asia. Japan and Singapore are still open, but China's closed. Not the whole country. That would be weird. Just the markets. Up to the EMA and pulling back. A little up, then pushing back down. Did get to 18, almost 19. So good call by G-Man. No shock there. I never do more than a 2 point stop. Well, I shouldn't say 2 to 3 point stop. But I'm also, I mean, what kind of target are you going for when you're going to have a 10 point stop there, Avi? Well, I mean, 10 to 20. I mean, that's a good risk to reward. Yeah, that's a good risk to reward. I go for smaller moves, so hard for me to gauge. There we go, pushing back down. So when you see something like this is usually a sign of that you can take that, start making that move down again. Yeah, exactly. That's why I don't go for the big moves like that because of the evals. Really don't like it, especially like in Apex with a constantly trailing drawdown. You go 5 points in the profit and then take a full loss. It really hurts. Oh, new low 40.13 quarter. Good morning, Ace. How's it going? Another bounce, little bounce here, 40.13. You didn't put a jacket on him? Ace, RJ said he has a new schedule. He's going to start getting here earlier. My God, what did the rejected ones do? Oh, while the girlfriend's there, I didn't. Okay. Should have known. So hanging at 40.14. We're about 32 minutes until the bell. Then we have news 15 minutes after the bell. It's our big news of the morning. Getting flashed for the S&P. Yeah, Red Book. We already passed Red Book though, and it didn't do anything. Red Book never seems to do anything. It is the leading magazine for women. Actually, I don't know if it is anymore. I got that line from NCIS. Yeah, we're popping up here. So there's a break upwards. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that, ES. Top of the hour. My cat's saying hello. I'm not sure if you heard him. There's a possible trigger candle back down. Sure, I like it though because we've been so extended. Oh, took the short, should not have. Probably. We'll see. Hold on 1 second. Took the trigger, so we'll see what happens. Let me blow that up a little bit here. Oops, wrong way. There we go. Stop is 7 ticks. Right above the EMA. Oh, morning, Hafiz. Sorry I missed you. Hope you're doing well today, or afternoon, or figure out time of day it is in your neck of the woods. Back to my break even. Don't like this. It's just kind of hanging here. So if it gives me another tick again, I think I'm gonna get out. I don't see the breakdown happening here. Ah, it's going against me now. No, there we go. This wasn't fast enough. Oh gosh, darn it. Okay, I'm out. 1 point loss there. Let's see if I was stupid or not to get out. This was the trade. I took the $50 loss on the brand new account. When you take a loss on a brand new account as the first trade, it usually means that account is not going to do anything for you. But there we go. It did pop up. I That stronger candle, that candle was bigger than anything we had seen recently. And that did give me a little bit of hesitation. I should not, I mean, I should have listened to myself there. I did get out. At least I took only the 1 point loss. You can see it's trying to push up here. So we had this up, down. We may, a higher low, and then now pushing upwards again. Do want to thank everyone for being here. 37 people. Hi, everybody. All right, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions and most comments are welcome. As RJ said, please, if you're enjoying the stream, hitting that like button would be very appreciated. I'm just going to sit in here about 20 minutes till bell. That's another trigger candle back down. No longer trusting in here. We're starting. We'll see where it goes. We shall see where she blows. Ultra Bond doing absolutely nothing today, looks like. Just kind of hanging around at DMAs. Yep, I should have stayed in. I should have stayed in. Back down to 40.13, and I should have taken that at next candle. So, did not really follow the plan there. First of all, I mean, this would have been. I would have got stopped at 2. So this one was, would have win or loss. So I guess the following the plan there is I should have just gotten back into the next candle, next trigger, which is right there, which you could see would have been a 2-point win. So, that's not what I wanted. It is. This was not a good trigger candle. That was blue. But this one was. I could have got a nice win there. Didn't take it. But I mean, this will make me skittish, and it kind of makes sense. But I find that the trigger candles are better if they're smaller. These big ones tend to bounce back up, whereas the smaller ones that kind of just, you know, crawl down end up being more likely to work. More likely to work. And quickly bounces back up. Uh, Probably. I mean, there. I mean, if I had taken this, I would have needed a 3-point stop. I don't know. I mean, I would have needed a 3-point stop and barely would have got more than 3 points out of it if I had stayed in that one. So I got out at 1 point. If I just would have got back in, then I could, it would have been a net positive. Now it's kind of sideways with 15 minutes to the bell, 30 minutes till the S&P flashes us. Oh yeah, sorry, still had that up. But guys, remind me that if I'm not in a trade and the NinjaTrader window's still up, because I sometimes forget about it. I still prefer trading off a trading view and all, not having to quickly worry about trying to get the NinjaTrader thing on the screen and then it blocks the regular. So if you see it sitting there after the trade is closed, let me know because I kind of forget about it. Oh yeah, we didn't look at crude oil, what it did at its open, so let's take a gander. Okay. Quick snap up right at the open and then it's fallen since. Zabak, are you still here? And if so, are you still in your crude trade? I hope everyone's having a great day. We're heading toward the open. One trade so far, it's a loss, 50 bucks plus commissions. Could be worse. Could be $75 plus commissions. It hates it. It hates it, RJ. Hate. Much nicer, much calmer stream this morning. It's the way we like it. Uh-huh, uh-huh. That's the way. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Oh, we like it. And we're pushing down, trying to push down again. Again, I don't know. Yawning. Sorry. Usually mute the mic for a yawn, but kind of caught me unaware. Caught me unaware. I just don't care that it caught me unaware. I don't know. I'm mumbling, I'm babbling, I'm watching the market trying to push up, trying to get through that 17 that it hates. It just can't decide where it wants to go. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Good morning, Glitch. Welcome. How's your day going today? The question is, will that wall come tumbling down? Hey, Freighter. Yes, yes, eggs are like gold right now. Yep, trading when tired's not always the best idea. There's the break of 17 up to 18. That wall came tumbling down. And there is G-Man. G-Man had gotten really quiet there for a while. Never know where he might be lurking. So 5 minutes till the bell. 5 minutes, people. Places, everybody. Oh, sorry. Burrow, from what I understand, is that when people reply to other things or like other people's videos about CFT or something like that, I'm not 100% sure. I will say the only thing, the only thing with CFT, I don't know what's going on with them, but the only thing that disappoints me really, I mean, a lot disappoints me here, but is the fact that he went to the buying subscribers route. That totally delegitimizes. Is that a word? Delegitimizes? Y'all tell me if that's a word or not while I finish my thought. That totally delegitimizes his channel. He's up 20,000 subscribers in the last week. After it took, you know, his channel's been around for like 2 years, 3 years, 2.5, something like that, and he had 8,000 total subscribers in that time, and in a little over a week, he's jumped by 20,000. So he bought subscribers, and I just don't understand that. I don't understand the purpose of that. He totally destroyed Trades by Matt when Trades by Matt did that. It just bothers me so much. I thought that a lot of this was just like parody or venting, but that's just a move that I just don't understand. Yeah, he's not a charlatan. I believe he really knows how to trade. I believe the trades he's showing are real. I believe he's really making the money he's making. That's the one I don't understand. Pop up here, little dip, and then pop back up. We are less than 3 minutes away. Um, I mean, I will never pay for subscribers besides that $20 I slipped to Ace to bring RJ here. Paying for subscribers just doesn't make sense. I mean, because they're empty, they're not viewing your stuff anyway. So your channel looks like you have all these subscribers and you're not getting views. So it doesn't even really make sense. And everyone is welcome to voice their opinion. Sid, we were just talking about the fact that CFT bought like 20,000 subscribers. That's all. Other than that, you haven't missed the mark much in the market. One big move down, and then we've been dead slow. One huge move down, and then slow. We did just hit that 100 EMA and bounce down. Up, down, up, down. And we are 30 seconds until the bell. The bells and the whistles. I don't know why I keep speaking in bad French today. Trying to buy tractors? There's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Why are you buying tractors? So down down a point and a half here. Back up. 2 points. Oh, okay. What do you farm, Sid, if I can ask? And obviously, if you're concentrating, you don't need to answer me right now. Nice. Boom. Down to 40.12. Most likely G-Man just took that reversal. I bet you. Nice reversal there. Back up to 40.14. Bounce there. It's a perfect, nice little bounce. I don't know. Chris Moore's been missing the last couple of weeks again. I don't know if something happened with his back. Hope he's okay. See my YOLO trade on my other Apex account. It's only up. It's back to being up $1,000. A little bit, maybe, yeah. But seems like a good guy overall, I think. Rising back up. Are we gonna break the 100? I mean, guess we're gonna be choppy. Remember news here in about 13 minutes. Big boom. That almost hit that 21 you're looking for there, RJ. So we dipped the 12 and ripped up the 20 in 2 minutes. Yeah, I agree. I wouldn't have either, RJ. That'd been hard to take that big rip down before that bounce. We're sandwiched between the 100 and the 20. We have a candle sandwich. Pulling back down. Technically a trigger candle down. Probably should have taken it. Taking it too much time today. It's a new Apex account, I think. Getting in my head. Yep. That was a good trigger candle. I should have played that. Why was it a good trigger candle? I mean, besides the fact it just followed my regular, but it was a bounce off that 100 that I like to play. There's the train again. And it went 3.5 points, so we could have got our 2 points out of it. Being a little too skittish today. Yesterday was a good day because I took my trades. Today, got that new Apex count going, and it's just a little bit skittishness. Right back up. There's a nice push down again. We just hit 11. $49, 4009. Bounce. Yep. Oh, there's a big bounce. That's quite the wick. Maybe not as on deck as we thought. Down to 9, back up to 15. Oh, here it comes again. Here it comes again. Ooh. Six points on ES considered small or JC? Yep. Sitting at 40-12. Not really trying, not really able to break down through here though. It's trying, but so far nothing. Quick look over, my YOLO trade's up $1,200. There we go. 4,009 again. Got down to 4,009 even. Oh yeah, PMI in 5 minutes. I wonder if I should close before PMI. It's up 1,200. Yeah, I guess I'll just continue to YOLO. Definitely staying out till PMI. So PMI, much different than TMI. Yeah, popping back up. Big pop up. So I got down to 9, back up to 15 again. So basically right there. Trying to burst through. It did. Strong candle up here before PMI. Wow. It's a 5-point candle. Back up to the 100 EMA. Well, not really, didn't touch. Didn't touch it. Back up to that 18 level. If it's above that 20, is it going to pop back down? Minute 40. Not a trend day. PMI in 40 seconds. Thank you, JC. 30 seconds. 30, 30, 30. I moved my stop on my YOLO trade at 21, so if it gets hit, it's going to be about a 14-point winner. Yeah, there have been. Yesterday was an excellent trend day. Oh, there we go. PMI down first. Seems like it wants to bounce though. Nope. Boom. Boom up. Big wicks both ways. What's it want to do? Yesterday's gone. Yesterday's gone. Uh, do we need to install GPS, RJ? Hang at that 17 that you saw it hang at before. Watching it here. Can't decide what it wants to do. Staying out on my new account for now. Let's look at the numbers. See what the PMI numbers were. I'm getting close to getting. Yep, I just got knocked out of my YOLO trade. S&P services 46.6, expected 45. Well, let's just say it beat all three. All numbers are better than expected. That tickle on my third there. Booms up to 24. So it got up to 26 quarter. Pulling back. Nice move on the PMI. Pulling back now. Nope. Right back up. It's the NQ. NQ pop 24. Welcome back, Ace. Welcome back. Welcome back. Why, you trying to sneak up on us, Ace? Got to have an ace in the shadows? So pull back to 22 after hitting 26.25 twice. Nice pull down to 20 now. It's just to see if we see an impulse move up and then back down. A lot of shooting there, Glitch. A whole lot of shooting. Now you see my light line over here. This is the top of our range that we were stuck in for so long before this move we pushed down. That's at 27.75. We're about 4 points below that. It's an uptrend day. Right now, it's trying to decide what it wants to do. This was a trigger candle, theoretically. Right here, boom, up, and it would have worked. It worked for 2 points or 3 points. So you can see I'm being kind of non-aggressive. Though it was also right after the news report, so it's understandable as well. But sometimes, you gotta start taking these trades, not on the actual news candle, but afterwards. And also, the COVID crash and then rebound. So a lot of these older channels have a lot of subs, but a lot of people lost the interest in trading altogether. So you see a lot of subs and not a lot of viewers. We might YouTube's giving me the message that we're swirling. Remember to hit your live button if you to get back to the live broadcast. Hopefully this will resolve in a minute. I swear this is more on YouTube than my ISP because everything else is fine. Wow. Pushing up here again. I don't know what that second white line is. I don't remember that one. That might have been from last night. I don't know. Glad I got out of my YOLO trade because it'll be almost back up to my entry point if I hadn't. 40-30. 1,220 subscribers, but there's many, many, many names. I have brilliant download speed. Over 300. Are you guys still hearing me? Okay, good. I have brilliant download speed. I have no upload speed. Oh, there we go. Now I got upload speed back. Okay, there we go. And we're moving down. Wow, look at this move down. Thanks to Comcast, I missed this nice little move down. For some reason I lost all upload speed there for a bit. And because of that, I lost like 10 viewers. Thank you, Comcast. Moving down to 4012. So you can see my last 4 trigger candles would have worked. This one, this one, that one, that one. Nice, G-Man. No data again, really? So sorry on behalf of my ISP. There's the top of the hour. We actually had more news, but it doesn't seem to be affecting the market there. Top of the hour news was Richmond Fed Comp Index. One day I got to do like a video on what these different things are. Negative 11. They expected negative 5. We seem to have stabilized now on the audio, the stream wise. Back down to 4010. So sitting at 4014 now. It does look like, say it's not a trend day. And yeah, we've been spotty here, but overall, if you go back to Europe, it has been kind of a trend day. We right before midnight my time, so 1 a.m. Central, we hit a high of 4041 there, and you can see it did trend all the way down, and now we're doing this spottiness back up. Right, if it ends up going down and starting to go down, faster, I mean, that looks like a trend to me. Of course, now you just look at what you're getting now. Now we're not in a trend. We're sideways here, 40.14. Looking for love. I mean, direction. And there's the break. Down to 40.08. 4,007. 4,006. I wish I would have held that YOLO trade now. I don't even YOLO well. I'm sure there'll be a memorial built, RJ. Oh, my music stopped. The day the music died. Bounce there on 4,005. Welcome back, iMad. Nice. There's 11, so you just got your 5. All right, Ahmed. I'm probably happy to answer any questions you have about it. G-Man is so good at those trades. So good. Up to the 100, or up to the 20. I did for a little bit, Ahmed. It can be helpful, um, but I didn't like it because it gave me FOMO. I would hear it clicking and want to quickly jump in, and it might not be the best thing. So I mean, it's up to if you can not get FOMO from every time it clicks. It can be helpful, especially in maybe when to get out of a trade. But I'm not sure it's worth the price they want for it. I know Greg from Greg's Trading Place, aka Weenie Trades, he uses it and he likes it. They do have a free trial that you could give it a try. And we're still popping. Back up to 40.16. And we're up to the 100. We're back up to that 17 level that's been a battleground. Or no, it was a wall. 21 was the battleground, 17 was the wall. All in all, it's just another candle touching the wall. Their focus right here. Does it want to go up or go down? Everybody look what's going round. And we broke. That wall came tumbling down big. 5-point candle. Boom. Wow. I didn't react fast enough. That was a trigger candle. Boom. Would have been quick 5 points. Mad at myself on that one. As soon as a trigger candle triggers, I should do it. No hesitation. Again, missed opportunity. Kind of touching that third band up there, though. Kind of hard to touch a whole band. The tube is getting in the way. Back up to 40.29, pull quickly back to 5 points. That was another volume spike. Be interesting to see whether or not G-Man took that volume spike as well. JC, I assume you did not take that short. Waiting for it to come back down. Just a guess. There it is. I think. Now 41.24. I'm sorry. 40.21 half. Back up here. Nope. Back down here. Looks like that battleground isn't over yet. Back down to 21. There's 19. Back down. Back down to the EMA. Dip. Back down to back down to 17 again. Nope, now down to 15. Right back up. What a battle we have going here. Nope. Not holding on the upside. Oh, it's trying. Seriously, it's a battle. A lot of contracts being traded back and forth here. Taking the long. Taking the long was probably a mistake. We shall see. 2-point stop. Hey, what's my 1825 here? Okay. There we go. There we go. Come on, sustain. Now back to my entry. That looks like this is going to hit me again. That was a nice thought when I did it. It did go up 3 ticks. I think it actually went up 4 ticks. Oh wait, it's trying to fight back. Come on. There we go. Back to my entry. See, I give up. I like think it's dead, and then it comes back. Still not. Uh, down 5 ticks now. Yeah, it's gonna knock me out, right? No, maybe not. I really got to stop that. Just let the trade play. Staying above that EMA. EMA is at 40.1825. There we go. Nope. Out of that trade. $100 loss. We're down 150 on the day on this new Payfix account. At this pace, it only takes 20 trading days to blow this account. Okay, so the 20 and the 100 are right around the same area, so staying out now. Nice move down here, though. So, I took the long there based on the down and up. It didn't go any further. Now, this would have been an actual perfect trigger candle back down. So I just took the wrong side. Should have totally stayed out there. This is fresh. This is where I get frustrated. If you look at this, and my trigger candles, 5 in a row worked that I didn't take. One didn't. Then the next one did. So 6 out of 7 would have worked, and I take the one that didn't. And I mean, it barely worked. Well, no, it was actually really. Uh, yeah, I went and found 5 points. Quickly back up. But yeah, I'm not gonna get whipsawed as G-Man just said. I'm gonna try and. Yeah, I don't really follow a trend strat. I'm just, going either way. Definitely agree. Yeah, it would be if I took the 6 out of 7. I mean, granted, this was right after news trade, and this was right after the open, so that's kind of. But yeah, I gotta start looking at those trades because they often work. Gap on the 5-minute chart. Oh, EV actually. I didn't realize EV even finally came to life. It was kind of dead there for a while. Sitting on the dock. Oh, see again, you guys didn't tell me I left my chart up. There we go. Much cleaner looking screen when that chart's not up. Good point, Leonardo. And we're popping up again. Popping up again. So let's see what other things are doing. Lean hogs sideways. Bitcoin hanging below 23. Ultra bond up there. Well, nice rise up there. Beautiful rise up. Yes. All? What's all doing? Dropping, dropping, dropping. Dropping back down to 81. Copper spotty. Dow rising. Gold. Ooh. Wow, look at that. This is where we were when the stream started. Look at this drop on gold. Burl, there's maybe your dip. I'm not sure what price you're looking for. It's already rebounded. Never mind. Got down to 1918, but it's rebounded up to 1931. Yeah, I figured. I figured you probably want something in the 1800s or lower. Up to 40.23 half. So thinking about taking that long off that bounce there. You see that big wick down. 21 up to 24 would have worked. We're starting to get an upside move. Oop, right back down. Quick move though. Would have been a good quick 2 points. Hungry. Watching 40.23. Bit boring here with about 25 minutes left to go in the stream. Waiting for an opportunity. Got a little bit now to the upside. Let's see if it can get a... Pulling back just a tad. There's a pull down. Back down. Big move. 6-point candle. Straight down. Bouncing back. So 20 down to 13. Back to 15 on this candle. Back up. Down. Jamie, why did you remove your messages? Why are you removing a lot of your messages? Jamie, why are you removing all of your messages? Hang in here. Kind of hanging. Hanging. Not sure we're going to get any other opportunities here. We might. Push it back up to 23. Kind of level, top tier at 25. Rising up. So we saw 30.75 earlier. The high of the New York session. Top of 29.25 there. It's trying to rise back up. Pull it back a bit. Excuse me 1 second. Back up. Can it take us higher? There's 28. Everybody got dead quiet. $29. So got back up to that 29 level. Could not get above. Oh, look at the Ultra Bond still looking pert and funky there. Okay, well that was weird. I quickly lost connection there on NinjaTrader. I'm not sure if everything dropped or was this my connection. This up-down type of day is the type of day my algo tests love. My main test is up 2,500 today. Excellent job, Crib. Sitting here now, 28. We have about 10 minutes to go on the stream. Probably not going to get another trade. Look at that. So let's look at the Ultra Bond here real quick since the indices really aren't doing much. So, here was its open. Well, here was its open. Rose up there, came down. Looked hard to play, honestly, here. This would have worked, I think. I'm not gonna chart out, but then this move here got the momentum down here, bounced up. Right here, it broke the thing. You can see it's gone almost a full. Well, it did go a full point since there. Set the any goal you have on any eval is going to be, the commissions are going to take away from your amount. So you got to get $1,500 profit after commissions. Just trying to get through 29. $27. Just trying. Here it comes again. I think I can. 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 Boom, as G-Man would say, and then erase. 41, 40, 31, high of New York session. I forget what we said the high day was. 40, 41. That's right. Going for RJ's 34. There's 34. Just hit 34. Struggling at 34. Yeah, there we go. 35. High Globex 40.41. High of yesterday 40.56. This candle, this hourly candle, 23 points by itself. $40.37 there. If you enjoyed today's stream, I appreciate if you haven't hit that thumbs up button yet, if you would. Thank you, Imad. So is 37 going to be the new top? Pulls back to 33 from 37. 34 to the new 21. You have to get down, well, got down to 32, but back up to 34. So 0 for 2 today on the new Apex account. That's a bummer. Just a quick follow up. If I would have taken each of these, this would have been a trigger candle, but it was right up against this bottom band, so I would not have taken it. Then this trigger candle would have worked. That one. So you can see here, if I had taken all my triggers, hold on, I didn't mark a couple. And then that one was a loss, so let's mark that one in blue. Blue. So if I had taken all my triggers today, you can see all the triggers now marked. If I scroll out enough, there we go. So let's count our purples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's count our blues. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 wins. Would have been 10 that worked, 4 that didn't. So I've been a net 6 if I had taken them all for at least 2 points, which would be a net 12 points or $600. That doesn't count a couple of the others that could have been triggers, like this one when it bounced here and it did go more than 2 points. That one would have worked as well. And let's see if there's any others. This one right here could have also been as well. That one would have worked. So we'll get, oh yeah, and this one here, this didn't work, but this would have been another nice little, if I would have got out there and so on and so forth. So, I still say this strategy is a working strategy. I just gotta pull the triggers. But maybe it's not. Maybe I'll eventually give up on it. But I still think, just based on what I constantly see by doing it, if I just would just do it, it would work. So, folks, I think we're gonna call it there for today. Remember, we're back at it tomorrow morning, 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time, like every day. I hope I'll see you then. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Yep. Talk to you later. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.